Today's thrift find is this cool old vintage typewriter. It's a Smith Coronet Super 12. It's in very nice condition. It is electric. It's got the manual with it. It's been tested and it's working, but it has two sticky keys, number 1 and letter V. So somebody that knows what they're doing may have to take a look at that. But otherwise, it is overall in very nice shape. Looks to have hardly been used. And if you want to pick this up for a sweet deal, then check out the link in the description. Check out my eBay shop while you're at it, and thanks for looking.